Hi everyone, my name is Natasha and today I'll show you an amazing, affordable and very good set of knives from Deik. So this is a 16 pieces set of knives including this knife stand. The color of this knife is black matte and the set itself has a sharpener, shears, peeler, 6 pieces of steak knives, paring knife, utility knife, santoku knife, carving knife, bread knife and a chef's knife. So let's get and see what exactly is in the box. So what I really like that the box is very presentable. Yes, so they are coming in this lovely box, and if I'll show you inside, everything is nicely packed, everything is individual boxes and everything is secured inside. Yeah, so here we have the knives, here we have the stand. So let's see what is inside. So I'll start the unboxing with the actual stand knife and I'll show you what we have here. So a very nicely secured stand knife that has double protection basically, and here we have the knives that are secured as well. We have the manual instruction and the warranty card. Yeah, so this is what it comes with. What I like about this set of knives that it has a peeler as well. So a peeler in a house or in a kitchen is never enough. Yeah, so one more peeler here, I'm happy with it. So each knife comes in a protective, like triple protected equipment, I would say. So we have the paper, we have this little like plastic thingy for the top. I would suggest you just to keep it, just in case, I don't know, you want to put it in the box back if you're not using, and just to protect yourself and others to have this tip, which is very useful. So as I mentioned earlier, we have 6 steak knives. So the paring knife, just look at this color, yes, black matte, the handle is plastic and the blade as well. I do suppose that over the time the color will fade a bit, but it's very nice. The utility knife, the santoku knife, the carving knife, the bread knife, and the chef's knife, the sharpener, the scissors, and the peeler. So now let's taste them. I have here just a few fruits and veggies, some of them hard, some of them just like soft like a tomato. I just want to show you how they are performing with these ingredients, just like a showcase. So let's test the peeler. It's amazing, it works perfectly fine. Yeah, the steak knife, let's try it on an apple. Yeah, goes through very smooth. The paring knife, so it's perfect, it's very sharp. Yeah, it goes very smooth through the tomato. The carving knife, so the carving knife, it's perfect for more hard bread or something like this, or an apple, something that you don't have to really, you know, like put pressure on. What I want to show here actually is that the handle is very like very comfortable to hold. Yeah, and yeah, it seems very solid as well. So this is my favorite, this is the chef's knives. So let's try how it handles the beetroot. It's perfectly fine, and I will cut an onion. The santoku knife is one of my favorites. I'm cutting literally everything with it. Yeah, so it's very easy to work with, it's very easy as well to handle, and you just use the pressure from your hand to cut through. Very careful on your fingers. Yeah, so you have cut onion in seconds. And as well, of course, the bread knife, it's for the bread, And this is as well one of my favorites is the paring knife that I'm using for many like small jobs like chopping, cutting and so on. Yeah, so these knives are amazing. They're very suitable for any kitchen because of the color, because of the matte color as well, and it has the sharpener, it has the peeler as well, and it's a 16 pieces set of knives, which is very comfortable, very affordable as well. Highly recommended. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I would love to answer them. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thank you very much.